Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the flan caramel. First, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, resisting the urge to stir. Watch closely as it transforms into a beautiful amber color. Once it reaches this rich hue, immediately remove it from the heat. Carefully pour the hot caramel into your flan mold, gently swirling to ensure the bottom is evenly coated. This creates the delicious base for your flan. Next, let's prepare the creamy flan mixture. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs until they are well combined. Then, add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk, mixing thoroughly. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic aroma and taste. To achieve a perfectly smooth flan, strain this entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into your caramel-lined mold. This step removes any potential lumps or egg solids. Now it's time to bake our flan to perfection. Carefully place your flan mold into a larger baking pan. This larger pan will serve as a water bath, which is crucial for even cooking and a silky texture. Pour hot water into the larger pan, ensuring it reaches about halfway up the sides of your flan mold. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until the center is just set when gently jiggled. Once baked, remove the flan from the oven and let it cool completely at room temperature within its water bath. This gradual cooling helps prevent cracks. After it's cooled, transfer the flan to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. Chilling is essential for the flan to firm up and for the caramel to set properly. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge, then invert it onto a serving plate for that beautiful caramel drizzle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.